please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for Kalkine's latest videos. Thank you for joining us. Today's trending topic covers, can crypto ETFs make their UK debut in 2022? I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. And as the US Securities and Exchange Commission gave clearance to the Bitcoin Futures ETF, the market is abuzz that other ETFs will be launched by the end of this year or next year. And as the investors in the US rejoiced, has the luck been the same from the UK investors' perspective? Let us find out. Well, in this video, we'll take a look at all the ETFs that can be invested into by the UK crowd. Can they invest in BTC ETFs or similar ETFs to Bitcoin? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the ETF debut in the UK. For the UK investors, the wait might be a bit longer due to the various reasons. While the ETF investment has received green signals from regulators in Canada, USA, Germany, UK's Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, is yet to give its authorization. Access to this type of fund for the UK retail investors is stonewalled as the regulatory body feels a fund that is linked to cryptocurrencies can be risky until it is satisfied with the integrity of the underlying market. So let's look at the ETFs. If it gets a green signal, it could hit the market in 2022. Bitcoin ETFs. The most obvious and popular ETF to invest in, as far as investments are concerned for UK investors, is the ProShares ETF. Was a great hit within the investors, with it reaping good rewards on the opening day itself. Ethereum ETFs. This is the most anticipated ETF at present. Seeing the mixed success of Bitcoin, we could predict its debut well before the end of 2021. The bull run, coupled with the performance of the Bitcoin ETFs, have raised hopes that Ethereum ETFs could well be the next big thing within the crypto domain to hit the market. SOLANA ETFs. SOLANA has been one of the strongest tokens that have hit the market of late. Its consistent performance on the market has raised a hope of possibility of an ETF. A SOLANA ETF will give the market participants a wider variety of options and will give them new avenues to invest in. CARDANO ETF. While CARDANO does boast of an exchange-traded product, it is yet to officially launch an ETF of its own. Just like SOLANA, CARDANO has been a proven product which has a huge presence in the market. A week ago, CARDANO had outclassed Bitcoin in the investment area as the inflows hit the roof for the fourth placed crypto. SHIBA Inu ETF. SHIBA Inu rallied nearly 800% in the past month and has been gaining traction from the investors. A SHIBA ETF can be an enticing one considering the rally that it has got, and especially with the outstanding performance of its meme-based token in the market. UNISWAP ETF. UNISWAP is one of the strongest DeFi tokens to trade going around in the market. Recognised as an automated market maker, or AMM, the Uni token has gone from strength to strength ever since its launch in 2018. It now ranks among the top 15 crypto assets and has created a flutter in the crypto market due to its conventional trading of assets. So basically, UK investors will hope that the FCA opens its doors or introduces regulations to ensure the launch of ETFs in the market. With many of the big exchanges already having its presence in the country, 2022 could indeed be the golden year for ETFs in the UK. And thank you for joining us on the report. If you do like the information, please like, share, comment on the video below. Let us know what your thoughts are on ETFs. Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, you'll be notified when Kalkine has a new video. But for more information and regular updates, it doesn't stop there. Please check out our website, kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for Kalkine Media.